Hello students, today we will be starting with the remaining questions of exercise 2.2 of our chapter fractions and decimals. In the last video we have completed till question number 5 of exercise 2.2. So today we will be starting from question number 6. So let us see what is given in question number 6. It is given multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Okay, so we have to multiply the given fractions and then the answer has to be converted into a mixed fraction. So question number 6 has many questions A, B, C, D like that. So let us start with number A. It is given as 3 into 5 1 by 5. Okay, so now you can see this is a whole number and this is a mixed fraction. You do not multiply 3 into 5. You don't do it that way. First we have to convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. So let 3 be as it is. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 will be 26 by 5. Now this is a normal multiplication. You know the numerator has to be multiplied with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. So it will be 3 into 26 divided by 5. Now 3 into 26, if you multiply, you will get 78 by 5. Okay, and as the question, it's mentioned in the question that we have to express the answer in a mixed fraction. So we'll divide it. When we divide, we will get it as 53 by 5. So this is your answer. Okay, so we have multiplied the given thing and we have converted it into a mixed fraction. So you do it this way. I'll be showing another number, that is number C. So our question number C is 7 into 2 1 by 4. Okay, now let's convert this one. So it will be 4 to the 8 plus 1 9 by 4. Sorry, I'll write it neatly. 9 by 4. Okay, now let's see. Multiply the numerator 7 into 9 by 4. Okay, so 7 9s are 63 by 4. Again, we need the answer in a mixed fraction. So when you divide, you will get what? 15 3 by 4. Okay, so this is how we solve the given sum. Okay, now let us move on to the next one of the another question of question number 6. So I'll be showing you now question number F. Okay, let's do number F here. I'm showing you. It is given as 3 2 by 5. Okay, multiplied by 8. Now let us convert. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17 by 5 into 8. Okay, it's clear. Now you can see 17 into 8 by 5. 17 into 8, how much you will get? You will get it as 136 divided by 5. And again convert it into a mixed fraction. You will get 27 1 by 5. So this is what your answer is. Okay, so we have converted the given answers in the mixed fraction. If it's just directly given, just multiply this and it's not mentioned that write it in the mixed fraction, then if you complete till here, then also the answer is correct. But if it is mentioned that you have to find the answer in the mixed fraction, then you have to do so. Now for this, there are a few more questions in question number 6 like B, D and E, which I have not shown it to you. So I want you all to try question number 6 from 6, this part, question number B, D and E. Now you have to try it after you go through the video. Okay, so it will help you to practice the sum. So you please try this one from question number 6. Now we will move on to question number 7. Now in question number 7 it's given find A. It is given, there are two questions A and B. Let's do A. A it is given 1 by 2 of number 1 is given 2 3 by 4 and again there is number 2 4 2 by 9. Now it is not mentioned whether to keep it in a mixed fraction or any fraction. So let us do first number 1 from this. 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4. Always remember the of means multiple. Okay, now let us convert this. 2 4s are 8 plus 3 11 by 4. Now multiplying the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Okay, so 1 11s are 11 gives me 11 by 8. If you want to convert it into a mixed fraction, how much you will get? You will get 1 3 by 8. Okay, so you will get 1 3 by 8. This is your answer. Okay, now I'll show you the second part, that is number 2. In number 2 also it's given 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9. Now 1 by 2 of means multiply. 9 4s are 36 plus 2, 38 by 9. Let's multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. 38 by 9 2s are 18. Right? Can it be cancelled? Yes. 2 9s are 18. 2 16s are, sorry, not 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. Okay, you can cancel this because 19 into 2 is 38. Now let's divide this one. Okay, the answer is 19 by 19. So let's divide and find out the mixed fraction out of it. So when you divide, you will get how much? You will get 2 1 by 9. See students, you can keep the answer here or here because it's not mentioned. You have to find out the mixed fraction. So now from here, you will all try question number 2B. I want you to try this. Okay, A I have done it for you. You will be doing number B. Now, the last question of the chapter, exercise, that is question number 8. It is a problem sum. Let us get to the question and then we will try to solve the answer. Now, see here, the sum is given as Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Okay, both of them went for a picnic and the bottle contained how many liters of water? It's 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Okay, 2/5 of the total water she consumed. Pratap consumed the remaining water. Now there are two questions. In number 1 it is given how much water did Vidya consume. Okay, you have to find out in liters the quantity of water did that Vidya consume. And number 2 is given what fraction of the total quantity did Pratap drink. Okay, so let us do how we find out the quantity of liters which was consumed by both Vidya and Pratap. So we will first write down what are the things given in the question. Let us get started with question number 8. So we will write down the things that are given. Okay, total quantity of water is how much? The mother packed how many liters of water? 5 liters. So with total quantity of water is 5 liters. Okay, and it is given that Vidya consumed how much? Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water, part of the water, and Pratap consumed the remaining. So this is why I have written down. It's easier for our calculation. We don't have to look at the question every time. Now I have to find out for number quantity of water Vidya drank. Now you see here it's given she consumed 2 by 5 of the water. 2 by 5 of means multiply. Of the total water was how much? 5 liters. Okay, so let's see. 5 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2 liters. Right? So how much water did Vidya consume? 2 liters. Now the next part, that is question number 2, it is given how much did Pratap consume. Now it is given Pratap consumed the remaining. Total water was 5. Vidya consumed 2. So how much is left? 5 minus 2. So for number 2, quantity of water Pratap drank is equal to the remaining. So the total 5 minus 2 liters. We have to write the unit. So it's equal to 3 liters. Okay. So this much water Pratap drank. So these are the two questions. Solution to the given questions. Now this is the end of this exercise, this question. We'll go to the remaining exercises in our next video. Okay, I hope you have understood. Please practice regularly and be very careful with the multiplication and division. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.